sweet carrot filling infused with cinnamon surrounded by Goodday Chunkies crust makes for a delicious, indulgent carrot pie. Hello everyone, welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'm Afraz and today I'm going to show you a very classic recipe of carrot pie infused with chocolate by using Goodday Chunkies. So let's get started. First I'm going to make the base for our pie. So उसके लिए मैं लूँगा एक बड़ा bowl. I'm using here Goodday Chunkies. And the best part is the overload of the chocolate chips in this Goodday Chunkies gives a nice rich infusion to the chocolate pie crust. And now it's time to add some melted butter. So this goes in. I'm going to mix it nicely. और अब हमारा ये मिक्सचर तैयार है हमारे पाई क्रस्ट में जाने के लिए. So here I have a spring bottom tart tin to which I'm going to add this pie mixture. And now with the back of the spoon, I'm going to spread it evenly. So now we have lined the pie and now it's time to keep this in the refrigerator for around 10 to 15 minutes until the butter sets. Now it's time to make the filling. So एक बड़े से bowl में मैं डालूँगा carrot puree. So in goes our lovely carrot puree, some brown sugar to give that nice caramelized feel, and to make it nice and rich, I'm going to add some condensed milk. I have here some nutmeg, a pinch of cinnamon, and now is the time to mix. So I'm going to mix this thing nicely until all the ingredients are well combined. And this is it. This is so simple. Next, I'm going to take a small bowl to which I'll add 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. And then I'm going to whisk this nicely. अच्छी तरह से beat कर लेंगे. And the reason that I'm not adding the eggs directly to the mixture is because when you will whisk it, there is a lot of air that is incorporated in the mixture and that will give air bubbles in our pie. Lastly, I'm going to add a pinch of salt to elevate all the beautiful flavors. So I'm going to fold the egg gently. And now the mixture is ready to go into the pie dish. So here, as you can see, the tart is nicely set, and now is the time to pour in our lovely carrot mixture into it. So now it is ready to go into the preheated oven. But now the Goodday Chunkies tip. So हर कोई आपको कह देगा कि इसे oven में डालो, bake करो and it will be ready. But the tip is if you want the pie to be nice and smooth from top, you need to cover this with an aluminium foil from down. And I'm going to cover the pie from the base with this aluminium foil like this. So after covering it with a foil, I'm going to take a baking tray and place this in. Now you might be thinking why I'm doing like this, because I'm going to give a steam bath. So I'm going to pour water down in the tray. So let's put this into the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. So there it is. Our lovely carrot pie is ready to serve. I'm going to demold this from the tart mold. So with the help of a bowl, which I'm going to place it upside down. And there you go, our gorgeous looking Goodday Chunkies carrot pie is ready. This is what I call happiness chunkified dessert recipe. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.